everyone! Have you gotten into the mood for the holidays yet? I'm not quite there, but I wanted to get a jump on the Authortube Secret Santa for 2022. Last year was the first year that I ran this awesome event, and we all had a blast. It was such a great time, me in particular, when I got to dress up as Barrett Lori.
Oh my god, are you seeing these things? Whoa.
So I'm doing it again this year. This video today is a call for all Authortubers with video content who want to participate in a Secret Santa for the holiday season. If you're interested, please sign up by November 1st. Applications are now open. Names will be sent out by email the very next day. And then we'll do a coordinated video release on January 31st showing our unboxing of our gifts. Gifts should be between $5 and $25 and be sent out by the end of December. This year we're adding an option for e-gifts so that you don't have to share your physical address if you don't want to, and gifts can be sent anywhere in the world. To see an example of an e-gift, watch Evangeline's video here in the cards. If that sounds like something you want to do, fill out the linked form in the description box below. Also, pass on this video and the link for the sign-up form to any and all Authortubers you know who may not see this video. Happy writing, everyone!